The following message is transmitted at the request of the DeKalb County Sheriff's Office. Numerous 911 reports of the mysterious and different-looking creature has been spotted in DeKalb County. This creature is having all cyan and light blue clothing, and he has a cyan arrow right on the top of the head. This creature name has not been confirmed yet. It is unknown if this creature are hostile or not. Residents should prepare to take action and seek higher ground shelter at this time. Stay tuned for more information as it becomes available. Civil danger warning for the entire DeKalb County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the DeKalb County Sheriff's Office. At 12:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, this creature has started to become hostile, causing more chaos for the DeKalb County. In addition, this creature has sharp blue fire, which be used to cut this victim and burst into flames. The name of this creature was also been confirmed at this time. The name of this creature are now called Cyan Animate. Cyan Animate is considered to be extremely dangerous and can kill anyone inside. Cyan Animate is also used to burst flames into the building, causing severe damage. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should not be ignored. Get indoors immediately and secure all doors and windows if you are in DeKalb County or in the vehicle. If Cyan Animate tries to attack you, make any necessary attempts to eradicate, and soon as you can call 911. Stay tuned to this station and to media outlets for further details on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning for the entire Cook County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cook County Sheriff's Office. A strange and dangerous event is unfolding for the Cook County. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a mysterious creature has been spotted for the Cook County, attacking and killing many civilians inside. This creature was also trying to eat and swallow their people, causing many deaths and injuries. This creature is wearing a green shirt and blue pants. This creature is identified as SCP-Vyonders 2002. Over 50 fatalities have been reported by this attacks. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be ignored. If you are in Cook County or in the vehicle, get indoors immediately and lock all doors and windows. If SCP-Vyonders 2002 breaks into your home, make any attempts necessary to eradicate it. Stay tuned to this station and to media outlets for further information on this life-threatening situation. Civil danger warning for the city of Milwaukee or Milwaukee County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Milwaukee County Sheriff's Office and the Milwaukee Police Department. At 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there were many reports of the unknown creature roaming the street, attack many civilians inside. In addition, this creature has used fireball which be used to burst into flames. This creature is wearing all light and dark blue clothing. This creature is identified as Muhammad. Muhammad is considered to be extremely dangerous. As many over 150 fatalities have been reported for this event. This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter and to secure all doors and windows right now. If Muhammad enters your shelter, make any necessary attempts to eradicate it. Stay tuned to this station and to media outlets for further update on his dangerous situation. Civil danger warning in the city of Los Angeles. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A dangerous situation is unfolding throughout the city of Los Angeles. At 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there were reports of the unknown creature has been spotted in the city of Los Angeles, attacking and killing many civilians inside. In addition, this creature was seen murdering and attacked people, causing deaths and injuries in the city of Los Angeles. This creature is having to be 8.3 feet tall, 1 foot wide, red shirt, and black short pants. This creature's name is identified as Woomer the Gamer. Over 130 people have died in the city of Los Angeles. This is an extremely dangerous situation, and should not be ignored. Take shelter immediately and secure all doors and windows to avoid Woomer the Gamer breaking into your home. If Woomer the Gamer breaks into your home, use any necessary attempts to eradicate it. Stay tuned to this station and to media outlets for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami-Dade Police Department. Civil danger warning for the Miami-Dade County, beginning at 9:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and ending at 1:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on April 29, 2020. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of scary-looking creatures roaming around the streets, attacking and killing anyone inside. In addition, this creature has started to suck out of the souls, causing catastrophic damage. This creature is having 8.3 feet tall and 1 foot wide. He was last seen wearing a blue shirt and the midnight long pants. This creature is identified as James Parker. If you see James Parker, run away as fast as you can and get indoors and secure all doors and windows so that James Parker will not see you. If your home is in trouble by James Parker, keep any necessary attempts to eradicate it. Stay tuned to this station and to media outlets for any updates on this potentially dangerous situation. Stand by. The President or his designated representative will be speak over the air shortly. Please stand by.
Good morning. The following message that I will guide you has been transmitted at the request of myself, the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Information to be ongoing national emergency. Reports of SCP-Vyonders is unfortunately under attack across the entire country. At 9:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were many reports of SCP-Vyonders were seen burst into flames and causing nuclear explosions for the entire United States. However, there were also reported that this creature was sucking their souls of buildings, vehicles, and humans, causing severe to catastrophic damage. In addition, civil authorities was also found out that 2 of these creatures are eating to swallow and murdering their people, causing many deaths and injuries throughout the entire United States. There are 4 of his name-like creatures for this attacks. This includes Cyananimate, Vanessa the Beyond Girl 2002, Walmart the Gamers, and James Parker. This is an extremely catastrophic and life-threatening situation, and should be taken very seriously. For now, I strongly urge to seek an underground shelter at this time. If you do not choose to underground shelter, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Take them with your food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, phones, chargers, and the battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries, and the first aid kit for a stay in your shelters. If you are stuck in here if the power goes out, use the stairways to evacuate instead. Do not approach these creatures, you will be killed by these attacks. If one of the members of SCP-Vyonders breaks into your home, use any necessary attempts to eradicate it. America will never fall. We have a chance to recover. For now, this concludes my message. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message for the entire United States. SCP-Vyonders that have been seen caused numerous destruction to all of the states, have suddenly vanished at 1:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The dangers to civilians is now over. You may now free to leave your shelters. However, there is major damage across the entire country that SCP-Vyonders had done for this, with several cities sustaining catastrophic damage. It will take forever to repair the damages to the buildings that have been caused for this event. The President, or his designated representative, will be addressing the nation later today. Once again, the dangers to civilians is now over. You are now free to leave their shelters. The United States wants to thank you for your cooperation. All normal programming may now resume.